Hello everyone, this is Mukunthan Ragavan, and this video we are going to see what is three-way merge. Before getting into the three-way merge, let's consider this situation where you have the main branch with initial commit. Then you create a future branch. In the future branch that you see in the diagram, maybe the green, you create a different commits on the future branch. Meanwhile, parallelly in the main branch, there are a lot of commits happening on the same parallel way. Let's imagine you completed all the commits in the future branch. Now when you try to merge with the main branch, there are already changes available in the main branch itself. Then this is the scenario we will be using the three-way merge. How do we work that? Consider we have main and future branch as we discussed. Among this, there will be the common ancestor, in our case initial commit. This will be the common to both future branch as well as the main branch. So that what happens is this common base and tip of the main branch or master branch and tip of the future branch, three commits will be considered to create a new commit. Now the commit that you made in the initial commit, future commit, master commit, everything from the user, where the new merge commit that you see in the diagram will be created by the Git. For creating this new merge commit, it considered three commits: common base, future tip, master tip, or latest commit from the master, latest commit from the future, and the common commit or common ancestor commit. Now all three will be considered to find the differences, and it will be committed into the single commit, which is new merge. Now we are clear with this. If there is no conflicts, Git merges all the documents, all the files by itself. However, there are some scenarios where we need manual intervention to confirm which change has to go into the final new merge commit. Rather than speaking here, you can see some of the common scenarios. However, in this video, we are not going to see how to solve the merge conflict. Let's see the scenarios, couple of scenarios. You have change a file in A. Basically, I can just start my indicator. Change in file A, change in file A. So the change happened one in future branch, one in main branch, and also in the same lines. Then Git does not know what has to be taken. So that scenario, you need to get into that conflict. You need to tell which one has to go to the main branch when you do the merge. Now consider change in file A, change in file B. No merge conflict, it will take care by itself because this is happening in the two different files. Delete a file A, modify file A. Now again, in one main branch, you are telling to delete the file. Another future branch, you are modifying that file. If you do deletion, the person who has done in the future branch will be losing his changes. Whereas if you accept this modify file A, then the main branch somebody deleted that file. So they will think like it is deleted, but still it will be having the modified file content of file A. So in that scenario, you need to resolve the conflict by human or manual intervention. Now again, the other scenarios, add file A, no change to the file A, basically it's the new file. So obviously it will be taken as a new file to the main branch. No change to file A, add a file A. So basically you are adding to the future branch and merging. Obviously this will be available in the main branch after the merge. Same line edit, it is almost like a first line. So you need the manual conflict resolution. Change file in A, no change in file A. So obviously this change in file A will be taken into the new commit merge. No change in file A, change in file A. Obviously change in file A will be taken and merged to the main branch. Delete the file A, no change in file A. So basically future branch, you are not making any changes. You never consider any file called file A, but in main branch you delete it. So obviously it will be deleted in the merge result. Then the last one, no change in file A, maybe, and delete file A. So you are deleting in the future branch. So in that case, file A will be deleted. Even though we have seen simple scenarios here, this video is not all about solving the merge conflict. This video is all about how the three-way merge works. Just to understand the three-way merge working, we will try to do the any scenario without having the merge conflict. Let's try to do the hands-on. Git init, create a dummy file, adding all to the staging area, initial commit, git log. Now we are in the master branch. Consider this is a common ancestor or the common commit to current master branch as well as a future branch. Let's create the future branch. Git branch future, switch to the future branch, create a future.txt file in the future branch, git add, future commit, git log. Now here you can see, since we are in the future branch, it is pointing to the future commit. If you switch to the master, it will be in the initial commit. Now let's switch to the master branch and make changes in the master branch. Git switch master. After creating the future branch, we are creating the after diverge.txt in the master. This after diverge.txt, this commit and this file details will not be available to the future branch, which is going in parallel. Now git add commit with message. After diverge is the commit message. Now git log. Now here you can see in the master branch, we have the initial commit and after diverge. Switch to the future branch. In the future branch, we have the initial commit, which is the common for master also, but initial commit followed by the future commit. Now you can understand after the initial commit, these two branches have its own changes, own commits. Let's try to see in the visual way also. Use the command git log hyphen hyphen graph hyphen hyphen one line hyphen hyphen all hyphen hyphen decorate. Now here you can see in the diagram, initial commit is common, then future has its future commit and master has another commit called after diverge. Now when you try to merge it, so first of all, when try to merge it, you need to switch to the main or master branch. Then git merge future branch. It is telling we are creating say new merge commit. For the new merge commit, you need to give the commit label or commit message. Yes, we have done the changes in the commit branch, and when we added, when we committed, we have given the commits like a future commit or initial commit or let's say diverge commit. But this is the merge commit that we were talking. So this is the merge commit that we were talking here. Every commit has the message. For this commit, what is the message? Maybe I will add three-way commit demo merge. That's all, and save it and close it. Now here you can see it has been merged. Now again, if you see the same diagram, now you can see clearly initial commit, which is the common ancestor. Then in future, you have the future commit. In master, you have the after diverge. Then when you merge it, it creates one more commit where it takes all the changes from the future, all the changes from the master, considering the common ancestor as the initial commit, then create a new commit. And that commit will be created by the git till you will be giving the input message for the commit, which is three-way commit demo merge branch future. So this way we have seen very simple example how the three-way merge works. For demo purpose, we have seen the three-way merge without any merge conflicts because the files that has been changed in the master, the files that has been changed in the future branch are totally different. So there is no confusion. It will be easily merged. In coming videos, we will see how to see the merge conflicts, how to resolve that. Till then, this is all about this video. Always be a rainbow in others cloud.